Hi viewers, we are going to discuss about absorber plate. We have some types of absorber plate, right? First one is flat metal sheet, finned plate, and carbureted plate, or that means V groove, right? Here, the core component of solar collector that absorbs solar radiation and transfer it as heat of the fluid. Okay, in flat metal sheet, the most commonly we are using copper or aluminum and high thermal conductivity. In fin plate, we can improve the heat transfer area, and in V-groove plate, we can increase the turbulence and surface area, right? We have some selective surfaces. The coatings applied on absorber plate to maximize absorption and minimize emissions. And we have some coating types in selective surfaces. First one is black chrome, black nickel, tin oxide, ionoside aluminum, right? And in solar dryer, that device that use solar energy to remove moisture from product. For example, mainly in food and agricultural products, right? We have some types of dryers. First one is open sun drying and direct type, indirect type, mixed mode. Final one is hybrid dryer. Okay. In open sun drying, that is the traditional low cost and but exposed to contaminants. Okay, and in direct type, the product inside transparent cabinet with absorber plate, and in indirect type we are heated separately and blown over product. And then in mixed mode combines direct plus indirect mode. Okay, and final one hybrid dryer here uses solar and also using auxiliary energy, that means biomass and electric. Okay. In heat transfer in solar dryer, radiation, conversion, conduction, evaporation. In radiation, absorber plate capture solar radiation, and in conversion, hot air transfer to the product, conduction through the structure and trace, and evaporation, the moisture moves from the product to air. Okay. This performance evaluation is the drying rate, drying efficiency, moisture removal, temperature, humidity profiles. Okay, these are the performance evaluations. And benefits. We have some benefits to improve the product quality and energy saving. Okay. And next going to discuss the liquid flat plate collector. Liquid flat plate collector means a solar collector where liquid is circulated through the tubes attached to the absorber plate. Okay, this main working principle is solar radiation passes through glassing, and absorber plate capture radiation, and heat is transferred to liquid through conduction and convection, and heated liquid is stored or used directly. Here we are using some components. First one is absorber plate, and then glassing, tubes for fluid flow, insulated enclosure, inlet and outlet pipes. Okay, these are the components in that main. So we have some factors affecting this performance. First one is solar radiation, intensity, flow rate and type of fluid, number of glazing layer, so selective surface quality, collector tilt and orientation, ambient temperature, wind speed, right? We have some applications. First one is a domestic solar water heater, space heating, solar dissemination, and industrial process heating and solar heating, cooling. Solar cooling. These are the various applications in liquid flat plate collectors. Thank you.